Like tonight, with Tony coming in hot and Cyrus stepping off, Robert creating for his teammates and making timely plays. How do you assess the team's execution and how your key guys complemented each other?
Well, every time you shoot well, your offense seems to be working perfectly. So I think the players, we shot well. We shot well tonight. It's good that we played rain or shine in their first game. So medyo rusty sila, finding still the rhythm. Kami, we already played our first game, we're able to make some adjustments. So, yun. And then we shot well tonight. They made also 90 points. So medyo mataas din yung score nila, 90 ba sila? Right, yeah, 95. So it's still a high score. So it's good that we shot well tonight.
Cyrus, na kwento mo sa akin na coach, nung kinausap ka ni Coach Jong, sabi niya sa'yo na he knows how unfair it is to ask you or rookie na tumulong na buhatin yung team. But you embraced your role, 28 points, 11 out of 12 field goals. Saan galing ka, Cyrus?
Siguro yung mindset ko na gusto kong maka-give back sa mga coaches ni Coach Jong sa binibigyan niya ng opportunity sa akin kasi hindi ko expect na ganito yung lalaroin ko sa team. And yun nga, parang feeling ko talaga na-overwhelm ako always kasi rookie, di ba? Parang marami nagsasabi na yung chance na makapaglaro agad, sobrang din. Pero yung binibigay na trust ng mga coaches, yun lang din siguro yung lagi kong pinadalayan na makapag-give back sa akin.
Ngayon, Cyrus, balik lang tayo ng konting history. Alam mo ba, you're one field goal short para ma-break yung record sa PBA na 12 out of 12 field goals ni Ali P. Back in 2006 when it was Coca-Cola versus Alaska. Anong masasabi mo?
Wala akong idea na ganun pala. Pero yun lang, siguro naglaro lang ako na no pressure and girap ko lang yung opportunity na binibigay nila sa akin.
Thank you, Cyrus. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Coach Jong, congratulations.
Thank you.
Coach, since nakuha na si Cyrus for this season, he overexceed yung expectations niyo sa kanya?
Hindi naman nag-over-exceed yung expectation. It's just that, sabi ko nga sa kanya na unfair na ano kagad parang baptism of fire kagad siya first 30 plus minutes a game in the past conference or so. So medyo yung baka nape-pressure lang si Sai. So it's not fair, but he came out today na ito yung kailangan, so he stepped up naman. So na-challenge naman si Sai sa role niya.
Last game, you almost came back to win San Miguel. Tapos nakakala nyo ba yun the way you played in that fourth quarter na umabot yan?
Yeah, I think so. Siyempre nagkakakumpiyansa rin yung team, di ba? And the balls being shared. But at the end game, it is Gilberto, di ba? And the end game to create. But at the start, yes, we do share the ball. So yun, na-carry over lang yun dito sa Rain or Shine. Hopefully, it carries over also to the next games.
Coach Filipino, Coach, you limited Adrian Locum to 11 points, 5 of 13 shooting, and alam natin barometer nila si Adrian Locum.
Maybe we just caught him on an off night, especially first game nila. So, medyo maganda rin naman yung defense ni Sai sa kanya kasi naka-mindset si Sai kay Adrian Locum. So maganda yung defense ni Sai sa kanya. He really put his mind into defending Locum as a challenge sa kanya kasi sabi ko, ang galing ni Locum talaga. Mahirap talaga siya hintuin kasi ang bilis, ang daming galaw, baka gusto gusto ma-challenge lang ni Sai. So, which is, you know, it's a positive sign na na-challenge sila defensively. Kasi minsan na there, na-challenge offensively. Pero si Sai na-challenge siya sa defensively.
So your thoughts lang about guarding Adrian Locum na na-challenge ka nga ako ng coach mo?
Siguro ano lang, yun nga, parang yun din sinabi sa ni Coach Jong na mawala na ako sa offense pero yung defensive mindset ko na kahit konting segundo lang hindi ako pwedeng mawala sa defense. Kasi first of all talaga alam ko, yun yung kaya nila ako dinala sa situation na to kasi yun yung gusto nila na yung defense ako is and the defensive presence ko nila talaga. Kaya yun lang siguro. Nag-stick lang din kami sa game plan sa regulation.
Coach, ano lang, insight lang din. Does Adrian Locum reminds you of Samboy din na alam naman natin naging kasama mo?
Actually, Samboy, pero mas naalala ko si Adrian kay PJ Simon eh. Mas naalala ko siya kay PJ Simon na maliit pero ang hirap hintuin. Yung instant points kaagad. Ang difference lang ni Adrian at ni PJ is off the bench si PJ. Tapos biglang mag-score siya ng 10 points right away. Parang ganon yung tingin ko kay Adrian. Mas may penetration lang talaga si Adrian. Kasi si PJ puro jump shot. So, of course, it also reminds, may similarity sila ni Samboy. Pero syempre, iba si Samboy. Pero yes, ang hirap talaga hintuin ni Locum ni Adrian. Ang galing talaga.
Coach, after this bilong break then on April 23, it's PNP. Do you think there's a chance na mag-take advantage yung probably PNP will be the honeymoon stage of the championship?
Alam mo kasi when a team is a well-oiled machine, kasi na-experience ko rin yun, championship, pero kung alam na nila yung ginagawa nila, they don't need a lot of practice time. Kasi nandyan na yan eh. So, it's hard to say naman we will take advantage of their long layoff. No? Gusto nga, wag na sila mag-practice, magkita lang sila sa laro. Pwede rin eh. Diba? Pero TNT is TNT eh. Diba? Nandyan na yan eh. Alam nila, magkakakilala na sila. All they have to do is just practice a little bit, get their rhythm back, and be in shape. And then they can play. I've been also in that situation na maski after championship, konting practice lang kami, magkakakilala na sila. Hindi naman nagbabago yung laro. But you still, pero nandyan pa rin yung laro. So, mahirap sabihin na we can take advantage of that long layoff that they had or kasi kakapanalo na ng championship.
Sir, so do you, at least that, TNT champion sila, ikaw, okay ka, replacing yung experienced players?
Siguro TNT alam naman natin talaga yung culture nila, sobrang taas. And alam din naman namin na kami mga teammates namin na nagtatrabaho rin kami para syempre manalo rin kami. And for sure, we have a game plan din for them. And siguro kailangan din namin lahat mag-stick sa system ni Coach Jong. And syempre, yung believe namin sa isa't isa and trust na nandun lang natin para every game, kung sino mang kalaban namin, buo kami.
Right? Ganto ka ba kasi
Wala.
pero napalog. Pero nabalita. Yung story natin.
Oo.
Ano yung mga Lakers players, bridges?
Yes.
Meron ka bang idea dun sa big team na yun na medyo na-influensya ako naglaro mo ngayon?
Siguro lahat naman siguro ng Hall of Fame na napanood ko talagang ma-amaze ka, pero siguro isa sa mga ino-look up ko is si Hector Calma. As Kasi isa rin siya sa parang family ano namin kasi kalma rin kami. And,
Relation ba kayo?
pero malayo.
Malayo.
Alam mo yun, coach? Alam mo yun, coach, na kung gano'n, medyo, kumusta mo yun?
Yung alam kalma, Cyrus stories.
Paano mo naging kamag-anak si
Malayo, isa malayo.
Pero paano mo nasabing posible na nagsabi sa iyo?
Oo, meron lang sabi. Family side din namin. Kaya yung parang ano lang din, overwhelmed, parang okay, kamag-anak din ako. Pero sobrang ano rin.
Magpapanood mo YouTube.
Pero konti na lang din kasi masyado ano. Pero
Kasi coach, marami din.
Pwede.
That ends our posting press conference. Thank you everyone. Congratulations, Coach John.
Thank you.